Okay, so in this example that we are going to understand in this part of course is very interesting image metadata MCP server. So my intention of this course is related to explaining you the potential of how the Python helps us to utilize the existing libraries to write the code which can be utilized by the MCP tools and can be invoked by the MCP clients. And in this example, we are going to create an MCP server which will expose image info, and our expectation is to provide the metadata of the image. Here you can see I have put one kite.jpg image over here in my folder structure, and this respective example will use pillow library to read the image information from the respective image that is configured. Here you can see I have already configured the MCP server, and if you see over here requirements.txt, we have added this respective library to be used in this server MCP server example. We are going to utilize the same MCP server, FastMCP, and we are going to use PIL from that pillow library and import the image from it. And we are also going to work with OS library to perform some of the operations of reading the respective file. FastMCP instance is created over here, and here we are creating this image info tool where the path would be identified when we will run the prompt, and it will return the dictionary along with the metadata, and the path is the actually absolute or relative path of the file system, and the dictionary will be success or error. Here you can see we are trying to check whether the respective path is existing or not. If not, it will return error, and else it will open the image path, and we will return the respective path, format of the image, mode of the image, and size of the image. Here we are again starting the MCP server so clients can discover and call the tool. The mcp.json configuration is already done. We are calling it image meta MCP. Here in cursor settings, after configuring this respective mcp.json details, you can see this one tool is enabled called image info. So let's run this prompt. It's ready to get executed. My intention is to provide you the details what we can do with Python and MCP server. So let's run one of the prompt. Provide image information of kite.jpg. So here it will try to identify the tool that is configured in the mcp.json, and you can see it has identified call image info. It is asking us to run this, and you can see it has identified the path which is sent as parameters, right? And this is the result, and this is the well-defined format. So here is the image info for kite.jpg. The format is JPEG, mode is RGB, and size is 1500 by 1500 pixels. So this way we can utilize the potential of Python and configure any tool and write the code to work with MCP, and with MCP server client we can utilize the tool functionality by respective prompt which identifies the tools, identifies the path, and executes the code and returns the response. So I hope you understood this respective example. Moving forward, we will understand how the MCP servers can interact with each other. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.